Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Beats Solo 3 Wireless. I'm going to be giving you some of my thoughts and opinions on build quality and kind of give you a first impressions. So I'm just going to go right into the unboxing, guys, and really I don't know where my knife is, so I'm just going to be using a little screwdriver to unbox this thing. So let's just go right into it. And from the top here, we can just kind of slice the top. Maximum crinkle. So right from the box, we've got the headset on the front, and we've got a little bit of a decade collection, 10 years, up to 40 hours of battery life, and they just advertise wireless Bluetooth, 40 hours of battery life, fast fuel, 5-minute charge, it goes 3 hours of play, not too bad, a battery fuel gauge, a built-in wireless microphone, and you can control your music and manage calls. So that's pretty sweet. And I think in the box here, it includes a USB and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack with mic built in. So it's the 3-pole. And this is Defiant Black. So let's just lift it up. Put this off to the side here. And the Beats logo right here. Change the way you hear sound, whatever that means. And we have a little tiny little pamphlet here, which is pretty sweet. Apple's always amazing with unboxings, really. We've got the package. So this also includes a case as well. And we'll just put this off to the side here. And it actually has a little arrow. So it's telling me to pop it open like that, I guess. Okay. And just like that, there's a little pamphlet. So this is the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Some warranty information here. You got your USB cable, and this is micro USB. And you got a little handy little clip. So that's just everything in the box there. Let's make sure if we get any Apple stickers or Beat stickers maybe. Just peel that off. We got one nice red Beats logo. Pretty sweet. You can put this on a, Toyota Prius or something. And yeah, these are just pretty simple little 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Pretty long, so that can really stretch out. And you've got the up and down and assistant, I'm assuming. Micro USB cable, and obviously the little clip. So let's just open these up. Smells really nice. Ooh, it pops into place. Yeah, they look and feel really nice actually. They have a nice cushion at the top and they're very well weighted for what they are. You've got right and left embossed here. These obviously extend out, but yeah, these look great. Got good stretch. Kind of fit any head here. And they really passively help out with the sounds around you, like white noise. Yeah, they feel really nice. Really nice little leatherette cups. So one of the buttons there can actually pick up calls as well because it has a built-in mic. So yeah, pretty sweet. Not a bad little setup. So that's the Beats Solo 3 wireless. They look like an amazing pair of headphones. I can't really test out the sound quality as that would be more of a review or more of an in-depth look on these, but kind of say that like they obviously look great and wireless Bluetooth, and you know, with Beats they're more Apple now, so they're very high quality these days. And so yeah, these look pretty durable and they look very nice. I really like the red and black tones. So there you go. That's kind of a look at the Beats Solo 3 wireless unboxing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.